Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Android app not installed. So whenever you try to install any app in your mobile and you see like this app not installed on your phone, so what you have to do is here in this video I'm going to show you. So first of all, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and also press bell icon for more videos like this. So first what you have to do is, first of all you have to go into your setting and here you will see search option. Just click on the search option and here you have to type unknown, install unknown apps, or you have to just type install unknown apps like this and click on it. And here you will see, you have to scroll down and here you will see unknown, install unknown apps. Now click on it and here you will see multiple options are disabled. So what you have to do is just recognize the app by which or through which you want to install the app. So as I want to install app from Bluetooth or Chrome or Drive, Gmail, or you have received the link from message, my files, so you can install it from there. So just enable any of the option and you will see that the app started installing in your mobile. So like this you can install any Android app in your phone. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.